Welcome back to
Alex
and Wadney
Entertainment.
Guys, so we're in the same vacation
Same day.
and we're about to see our reaction to our room. So Alex, do you want to record me or you want to?
No, let's take bite. Let's just get into it.
Okay. Man, why is it hot in here?
I don't know. Oh, there's the thermostat.
Okay.
Yes, honey.
There's a beautiful camera right here. You guys see me? And then we have complimentary water.
Those ones, yes. Those, no.
Yeah, there's a mini bar here.
Yeah, they will charge us a ridiculous amount of money for that stuff.
Which I don't think we even drink. Actually thinking about it. And then, oh, there's an area for me to do my makeup. Right here. There's a seating area. Right here. Ooh.
It's the view for me.
Ooh. Ooh.
Hey, look, there's the pool.
Ah, look at the pool. Yeah, it is just like what it said too. Is it gonna be loud at night?
I don't think so. These should be pretty well soundproofed.
Oh, okay. You guys, look at the view though. It's the view for me. Okay. And this is our bed. You already know. I already asked them about their COVID restriction. You guys, I'm about to go sanitize everything right now. Okay?
Closet.
Everything. There's a closet and there is a iron. And there's a safe. And we got somewhere to put our luggage.
Oh, there's stuff in the fridge.
There is?
Yeah, there's stuff in the fridge.
Let me see. So, but there is a fridge. Ooh. Ooh. This is the bathroom. You guys, Alex really didn't like my outfit and I'm like feeling it. But anyways, this is his and her sink. Ooh, the tub is deep. Okay, tub coming through. There's a shower. Ooh, this is cute too.
That's cool. That's nice.
So, you see, and there's a thing. Again. And that's it, you guys. That's like 3 minutes of the room tour. And we are about to like go tour the rest of the hotel. You guys, comment down below what you guys think about my airport wear. Cause you know your girl. And you guys, I always have my mask on. Always. And we're about to do a little tour of the hotel in a little bit. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys later.